This is Spooner Lake State Park in Nevada, and this is the station over here. But there's definitely a wooded area here, and you see snow on the ground. A lot of it's melting. On the way up here, we got to see the streams that are full of meltwater, and definitely saying goodbye to winter. But yeah, there's snow on the ground for sure. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. Whiskey 2, Whiskey Foxtrot. Whiskey 2, Whiskey Foxtrot. Calling CQ POTA from 3389er. Calling CQ POTA and standing by.
Kilo Alpha 0, Delta Golf.
I copy Kilo Alpha 0, Lima Delta Golf at about a 5757 into Park 3389er, Spooner Lake, Nevada. QSL. QSL to 5-2 into North Dakota, doing great propagation there. Thank you very much for the contact. 7-3. QRZ. Victor November station, you're coming in very faint. Could you please come back with your call sign twice? Call sign twice, please.
Victor November.
I copy Victor November, but you got somebody stomped on you before. Could you come again twice, please? I think I got it that time. I copy Kilo Charlie 0 Zulu Victor November at about a 3333 into 3389er. QSL.
QSL 33. You are 4444 into Arizona. Thank you very much for the fun. 73.
Copy the 44 into Arizona. Yeah, your signal picked up a little bit, but thank you very much. And 7-3 QRZ.
Delta 0 Hotel Lima.
I copy Delta 0 Hotel Lima. Is that a QSL?
Call it Alpha Delta 0 Hotel Lima.
Copied at that time. Alpha Delta 0 Hotel Lima. You're coming in at about a 58 into 3389er, Spooner Lake, Nevada. QSL.
Yeah, QSL. You're about a 5353 into South Dakota.
Copy the 5-3 into South Dakota. Thank you very much for hunting. 7-3.
7-3. Thanks for the activation.
Thank you much. QRZ. I copy an Alpha 5 station in the mud there. Could you come back, please, with your call sign twice?
Hey, thanks for the report. You are about a 5353.
I copy the 5-3, but I need your call sign. I need your call sign, please. No copy, no copy. Somebody's stomping on you. Could you come with your call sign twice, please? One more try. I copy Victor Alpha 5 Mike Uniform Delta. Is that a QSL?
Roger, Roger. You are a 4343 in District.
Copy the 4-3. Copy the 4-3. You're coming in when you do come through, it's a 5-3. 5-3 into Spooner Lake, Nevada. 3389er. QSL.
QSL. Thanks for working these early contests. I'm getting you.
Thank you very much for hanging in there. There's some snow on the ground here. It's Nevada, and it's a good day. Thank you very much. 7-3. QRZ. How's it going? It's good exercise, huh?
Yeah.
So that's the lake over there on that side?
With your eyes, too much.
Can you taste?
Yeah.
Have a good one. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. Whiskey 2, Whiskey Foxtrot. Whiskey 2, Whiskey Foxtrot. Having just QS wide from 20 meters down to 40. CQ POTA, CQ POTA, CQ POTA. Whiskey 2, Whiskey Foxtrot. Calling CQ POTA and standing by.
Whiskey 7, Echo, Echo, Charlie.
I copy Whiskey 7, Echo, Echo, Charlie at about a 5-8, 5-8 into Park 3389er, QSL.
Roger, Roger, you're 5-5 into Oregon, 5-5 into Oregon. Thank you for the activation, 73.
Thank you very much for hunting us here in the 40-meter band, 7-3. QRZ.
Kilo Juliet 7, Whiskey Golf Mike.
I copy Kilo Juliet 7, Whiskey Golf Mike at about a 5-8, 5-8 into Spooner Lake, Nevada State Park, QSL. Copy the SOTA activation. Do you have a POTA to go with it? Do you have a POTA call sign there?
Negative. I apologize. I'm not in any POTA designated area. Over.
QSL. Well, you're doing all the good up there in SOTA. I appreciate you doing that. That's a lot of work, hiking up to the summits there and setting up in the wind and everything. Appreciate you there. And this is Whiskey 2, Whiskey Foxtrot, and I bid you 7-3.
Yep, 73. Good luck on your activation.
Appreciate that. QRZ.
Kilo Alpha 7, Hotel Oscar Sierra.
I copy Kilo Alpha 7, Hotel Oscar Sierra, again at about a 5-8, 5-8 into Park 3389er, Spooner Lake State Park here in Nevada, QSL.
QSL, I have you about a 5-3, a 53 into Southwest Utah.
Copy the 5-3 into Southwest Utah, doing all the good with 20 watts on this side. What's your power level over there?
I am running 75 watts right now into 66-foot inverted V NFED.
Well, that sounds good. That sounds great. I need to look more into the NFEDs there. Just out of curiosity, are you using a tuner, or are you just is it resonating at this frequency?
No, it is resonant at 40, 20, 15, and 10 with no tuner. And the SWR is just, right now, it's barely readable. It's just over 1-to-1.
Well, that sounds like a great antenna and a great setup. Thank you very much for hunting, and 7-3.
Hey, thank you. Have a great activation out there, 7-3.
Appreciate that. QRZ.
Kilo Juliet 7, Romeo Papa Lima.
Copy Kilo Juliet 7, Romeo Papa Lima at about a 5-5, 5-5 into 3389er, QSL.
Roger, you're also 5555 in Oregon, QSL.
QSL to 5-5 into Oregon, and I got your call sign is Kilo Juliet 7, Romeo Papa Lima, QSL.
Roger, KJ7RPL, Roger.
Well, thank you very much for hunting. This is Whiskey 2, Whiskey Foxtrot from Park 3389er. Thank you very much for hunting, 7-3. QRZ.
All right, 73, have fun out there.
Will do. It's starting to get chilly over here, but hopefully we can make the 10 contacts. Lack about 2 more to go. 7-3. This is Spooner Lake State Park in Nevada, and this is the station over here. We just got through with the Parks on the Air activation here. Made about, I believe, 14 contacts, but there's definitely a wooded area here, and you see snow on the ground. A lot of it's melting. On the way up here, we got to see the streams that are full of meltwater, and definitely saying goodbye to winter. But yeah, there's snow on the ground for sure, and it's temperatures are dropping. It was about 59 when we first set up, and it's about I'd say it's in the 40s right now. And the antenna over there is the Wolf River coils, and I had to go to 40 meters because 20 meters was having a contest, and 40 meters actually gave better results. It's the first time on a POTA with the Shigu G90 that I've had to go with the 40 meters, and it worked out pretty well. and I'm using the logging on a piece of paper here on the notepad to avoid carrying the computer. And somewhere along the way I've lost my little knob for the Shigu, but it still worked, so I need to do some troubleshooting and find out where that ended up at. Again, that's the Wolf River coils configured for 40 meters, which is a good thing to have the Wolf River coils, because in these situations in which there was a contest on 20 meters and one had to drop to 40 meters, just changing the location of the ring on the Wolf River coils